Hi, good morning everyone. This is our first culvert of the day. Jen went to work this morning, so she's eating her lunch right now, and I'm going to do this one by myself. Most of the exits looks like they're doing pretty good. So let's look at the entrance. Yeah, got a little bit of blockages there. We'll start on this end and work our way that way. Alright, that one looks fine. Let's go check on this one. That big piece of metal in there, no wonder it wasn't flowing. This one looks fine. I think I see one stick on this one. There we go. Starting to get kind of deep out here. Send that through to the exit. Oh goodness. Sorry, video's probably not that great. There's just no place to set the camera down right here. Guess everybody likes to stare. This is kind of a busy road. We'll have to cut this part out right here. Got 3 more, I think. I'm up to my knees right now. That one looks good. Let's double check it though. Yeah, that one's clear. And there's one more, I guess, right here. Let's see if I can set you up here. right. Oh, that was it. That wasn't bad. All right, that was an easy one. So they're all flowing now. I'll let you look upstream. Oh, there's some cows down there. Guess try and get a drink of water. I don't know. All right, let's look at the exit. Water's running down this side ditch here. We're gonna move on.
That's both of them. Okay. There's not much in this one. Yeah, it's just a little bit at the beginning and that's it. It's the other one that's really bad.
You may have to help me pull this tree.
Well. Woo, hello. Ooh, almost took the camera out. Okay. Whew, it gets deeper there.
Hold on. Ooh. Get this off the top. It'll make it a little bit lighter. Whoa.
All right, let's pull this way. Oh, God, jeez. It keeps falling apart on me.
I'm not any help at all here, Jen. I'm just right behind you. Whoa.
I know, it goes down deep quick.
Are we going to float it down the other one?
No, we're not going to float it at all.
Okay.
I was going to put the end here, my end here, and we'll flip it over.
Okay. What is this in the way?
It's a rock. What are you doing?
I'm picking it. It's not that heavy.
Is that another big one right there?
Maybe.
It's not going to go down the other one, Mom.
It's not?
This is the one that it mostly goes down. Here, I'm blocking everything you're doing.
Sorry. Oh, here. This is yours. I'm sorry.
Do we both need to do that one? Is what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me get out of the way.
You saw her do it. It wasn't me.
Oh. Let me make sure they can see. Whoa. It's muddy here.
What is this connected to? Oops. Well, for heaven's sakes. What is this? All disconnect. This is that one. Can you pick that up?
Yeah.
That's what all those little branches are. Well,
I was going to go try to pick it up.
okay.
I didn't throw it far enough.
I think that's all I can reach from here. Except for that. I'm probably breathing right into this mic. Dadgum. I should have put it somewhere else. I don't have my hat on today.
You'll be
Sorry.
glad to know that one more thing Jennifer has to do is ask me, have you turned on your mic?
Once again, we're back to that.
I'm real bad about forgetting stuff.
It's alright. I'm bad about forgetting stuff too. Alright, should we go check the exit? I want to see if there's anything clogging up over here.
Okay. That's a rock.
That's all rock.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna look
nothing
upstream
stuck
real
up
quick.
behind it. Huh?
I'm gonna go look upstream real quick.
Okay.
So we've got water coming from that direction here, and then we've got water coming from that direction. How pretty that green grass is back there. We're in March now, and all the spring flowers are blooming. I'm really enjoying that. Oh, try to get out of here without spilling my phone in the water. Yeah, this is, of course, a side ditch running down through here. Made it. Oh, there's some stuff came through.
Yeah. This is the one that really flows well. That one.
This one here, the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know who put that in there.
Who put that in there?
Mom
Is that
did.
Mother?
Yep.
It's got Mom's MO written all over it.
I know. It's my favorite thing to do.
Okay.
Yeah, we still got some stuff coming out of here. That's good. It's going to flow into this big old pasture.
Okay.
All right.
Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. We finally found an adapter that lets us use our old mics that never gave us issues. So we're hoping that this works. This is going to be a complicated little thing here because this big fence here blocks the view, so we can't really step over there. But it's mostly this big limb that's blocking most of it. Let me get down. Ooh.
Ouch. That barbed wire sticking right there. Okay. Let me drag it this direction. If I can get my...
I just got done massaging at work, so I haven't even put my boots on yet. Ooh. Alright, she got it out. That was what was blocking most of it. Look at all that moving. Oh, God, Mom. Hold on, let me hold it up. Okay. Oh, God, it's loud.
Is that good?
I think that's good. I don't see anything else.
Okay, cool.
Oh, almost walked into
You
the...
almost get your barbed wire too.
I almost got the barbed wire too, yeah. Okay. So that's the entrance. And then there's the exit. Okay.
See if we can see through. Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. That is clear. It's not much going to run down there, but it's just a little stream off of a field. Okay, we're done. Oh, ow, no stickers, ow.
Get in here without falling. This culvert is metal.
There.
And it's got a big rusted
That
gash
should be out of y'all's
up
way.
the side. So it looks like there's more debris than there actually is.
Do you want gloves? Huh?
Nah.
Okay, we just saw a snake.
I
But
know it. Here, Jen.
got it.
Push all this in to be out. Can you pull it your way?
Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Is that flowing into the culvert?
Well, remember this one has a big gash up the side.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you think that's enough?
Up to you, woman.
Give it back, Jennifer.
There you go.
She's being a culvert hog today. Good grief.
Oh yeah, there it is.
There. Is it enough water pressure to send it through?
Yeah, probably. Big bunch of leaves. Gotta get that hip thrust motion going, Mama.
Yes.
Oh wow, there's even more. I can see it moving on this side.
There we go. The problem is the rusted part tries to grab the debris.
Well, I think there's a stick.
Think so?
Because it's moving on this side. Over here on the edge. Well, I'm not bigger than that, but... Oh, caught. No, they need to cut like a foot off of that thing.
Can you go check the exit and see if a bunch came out or not?
I can see a bunch going down. Is that a ring? Yeah, I mean, you're not blocked.
I got the stick out.
Okay.
Yeah, gummit bush.
Sound like I got heavier just then. Whoa, there goes a bunch of it.
Is it flowing good? Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we're done then.
Okay.
Most of the water's going to go in the side, not the front anyway. Ooh, that's slippery. Yeah, so you can see what's going on there. That whole side is gone.
Oh yeah, that water dropped a lot.
Yeah. Coming from back there. Got a little pond. Can't do anything about this because it's so raised, you know, from here to there. Take a lot of digging. All right, we're moving on.
We have been to this place many a time before, guys. And you'll see from the exit camera here that the last time we were here, that culvert was the one that had all of the debris in it that we had to use Dad's tool to get out. But maybe today it's all at the end already. We'll see. They're definitely not flowing as much as they could be.
Need help? I got it. Move. Okay, let's see if we can get this now. comes. Whoa.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of gunk in there.
Woo! There it goes. That's all of it. Wow. That is strong now. Let's go to the entrance now. Wow. You see how much that picked up on that one? It's flying in there now. Okay. Get you adjust that. Wow.
Can you help?
No, let me go ahead and work around that first.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, loosen up.
Please don't push it in.
It'll go all the way through, Jen.
You better hope it does. My Lanta, there it goes. There's a big root.
Here's another big clump coming out.
Okay.
Wow. Whoa! Jennifer didn't see that. We're good on my side. All right, let's check the exit out. Jennifer's moving that big thing out of the way. It is flowing good now.
Ooh, that's a big rock. Snake! Snake! Snake!
Where?
Right there. You see him?
No.
Right by that rock.
Right here?
Like you're on top of it. Or you were. Get me out of here.
Is it this? Was it a rock?
No, Mom, it was a snake, I'm telling you. It was a baby snake, but it was a snake.
Jennifer said, I never believed
I-
it, and I see it.
I sat there and looked for a second because I thought it was a weed, but no, that was a snake,
See all these little bugs floating around?
a baby one.
Well,
He was by that rock right there, is what he's trying to do. And he stuck his little head up for a second.
probably got washed downstream.
Well, one can only hope. Or he took off to the side somewhere.
Yeah. I mean,
Man.
it is cranking out of these.
So, beginning of March, and we've seen our first snake of the year.
Yeah.
I am disappointed.
Yep.
Oh,
Hold on. That's not it right there, is it?
glad I was over there.
That's
You
a
know, he
snake.
may have come out of that when I moved it.
probably did.
He may have come out of that when I moved it. I wasn't watching. Maybe we'll see on your camera later. Ugh. Y'all see if y'all can spot it later.
I'm still looking.
I know, I'm still looking for it too.
It's going so fast, it probably got sucked downstream and will come out down there somewhere.
Yeah, probably so.
I don't see it anywhere around me.
Okay.
What color was it?
The back of it was black.
Okay.
Its neck looked almost yellow, but it was probably just white.
Well, last year, this is where I found
The baby snakes.
yeah.
Yeah, there must be a den or whatever they call it around here somewhere.
All right, we done with this one, Jim?
Blech. I guess we're done with
Amazing.
it. I don't really want to have another encounter with a snake, so let's vamonos. All right, both of those are running really good now. It was barely running when we got here, and this was all underwater when we got here. So it definitely needed to be done. And this one keeps getting clogged up. We don't know why. We're not going to speculate. And we saw our first snake of the year. Alrighty, guys.
All right, we've been to this one before. You can tell this has been higher and it's gone down, but there's still a few sticks here blocking this culvert, so we're gonna do it. Oh goodness.
Oh wow, that's much more than I thought it was. It looks like it's a big stick doing most of it. Go on. Go down. God.
It's like, no thank you.
Well, it's like there's something up there. Okay, that's it.
Good deal. It's flowing real good.
Look at this over here. I was just noticing this.
Am I supposed to follow you, Jim?
Yeah. Look at this.
I think I am.
You feel like this is kind of blocking? I mean, you can't go anywhere actually.
Yeah.
Never mind. I thought it was maybe draining over there, but it's not. The water's just sitting here until it goes down more. Okay, put this back up.
That's a big old tree right there.
There's cow. Knock this cow poop in there. It's cow patty.
We're gonna look through this culvert. And the second one. Oh goodness.
Knock that cow patty in behind you.
Oh, cow patty?
Yep.
Kick it.
There we go.
That's nice.
That'll feed some fish.
Oh, goodness. All right, Jen, are we done?
Yeah, we're done.